Hi everyone, it's Francis. If you're seeing this video, it's a celebration because we hit 1000 subscribers. This might sound a little bit cliché because a ton of people said these lines before me, but I have never thought that I will reach 1000 subscribers since I had a lot of other channels and lots of other experimentations on YouTube with not a lot of luck, and this is actually crazy to me that one of my channels is working. So I'm very grateful for all of you who subscribed. Hopefully, we will be able to build a little bit of community for all those like-minded individuals who like electricity or technology. This could be a great place to share experiences and all kinds of information that might be useful for other people. So I'm really happy for all the 1000 subs who are already part of this community. And if you're not subscribed yet, there is the button under this video. It's totally free. And you can be a part of a new, growing community. Probably you have noticed that I haven't uploaded anything in the last month and a half. That's for a good reason, because I had serious health problems. So I had to get better and I had to collect my strength to be able to produce these videos. But I promise I will be back with even better content. I already have a couple of things in pool as I'm talking right now, so stay tuned for more DIY and electricity content. As always, have a very wonderful day. Francis signs out. See you in the next one.